Dear students, today I'm going to give an introduction about Drupal. So it sounds different, the name. So you can ask, what is the use of this Drupal? So before moving into the Drupal introduction, so I need to tell about why we required this topic here. So basically, it is a web content system, or you can call it as a web management system, or you can call it as a web content management system here. So what is a web management system? So web management system will be act as a template. So suppose if I want to create a layout to design a website or blog, so I can design my own formatting or own alignment and own background design, everything. So what kind of platform we can use for that? So very simple. We required one web content management system platform. Okay, web content management system platform here. So one of the popular web content system is Drupal. So we have many uh, web management systems are there. Tools are available. So for example, Joomla is there, Cake PHP is there, Mambo is there. Likewise, we uh, can keep on telling that. So because it's all our content management systems are uh, open source here. So in that, which one is very popular and which one is very user friendly and easy to learn and create our own content with a prompt design? So there comes Drupal here. So what is the Drupal? It's a web content management system. So moving on to the next slide. Okay, moving on to the next slide. So what is content management system? So before moving into Drupal in depth, so we need to know what is that content management system. So it is a software. Basically, it stores all the data of our content here. So content may be either multimedia based content, or it's going to be a plain text based content, or only the video based content. So it will accept all types of contents here, such as text, photos, music, documents, etc. So all these contents we require to build a website. So it's made available in our website here. So other usage of a CMS is it helps in editing, publishing, and modifying the content of the website here. Because so whenever we are uploading some sort of information in the website, so that should not be a static information. So the data will be keep on changing. That means it will be a dynamic content here. So for that, we required some special tool. So editing we need to do, and after editing, we have to publish the content. Again, if there is any modification, again we need to do the changes, and we can publish in that website. So Drupal is a famous tool which helps to do all these activities or all these workflow in a simple manner here. Okay, right. So Wikipedia definition we can see here. So a content management system is a document management system here. It's a computer application used to manage workflow. Already I told here. So what are type of workflow it's going to manage? We can create the content, edit the content, modify the content, update the content, delete the content, as well as you can index, search, publish, and you can store or archive various kind of digital media, and in electronic text or in electronic format here. So that is the main focus of CMS here. So very simple term, we can call it as a combination of large database. It's nothing but CMS is a combination of large database or file system or other related software modules which are used to store and later retrieve a huge amounts of data here, a huge amounts of data. Okay, so this is one workflow. So this gives a basic idea. So how we can access that CMS here. Okay, so how we can access that CMS content? So very simple. We can log into any tool here. We can log into any kind of tool here. So especially Drupal. So username and password we have to provide, and you can choose the website from the web list or a template you can select, and you can find out the workflow, what are the modules you need to select, and follow the template procedure. And finally, you can create a template, web template with your own content here. Okay, so this is a very simple workflow. I want to give some basic introduction about the Drupal CMS here. So thank you, students.